Hello students of class 10. Today we will continue from the heat budget. What is heat budget? What is heat budget? Heat budget is a balance between the incoming and outgoing solar radiation. So what is heat budget? Heat budget is the balance between the incoming and outgoing solar radiation. It is a balance between incoming and outgoing solar radiation. Only the definitions from this part you will read. What is heat budget? What is insolation? These definitions you should read from this part. Next is albedo. Very important. What is albedo? This albedo definition what is given in this yellow box, this portion is not enough. I will give the definition properly in the PDF or in the online class. Next, what is insolation? What is albedo? You know that the 100% of solar radiation is coming on the earth surface. This is 100%. Is 100% of solar radiation is coming to on the earth surface. Out of this 100%, 34% is reflected back to the space. 34% is reflected back to the space without hitting the earth. Without hitting the earth, this 34% return back to the space. This 34% of solar radiation which return back to the space without hitting the earth is known as Earth's albedo. Very important. What is Earth's albedo? 100% of solar radiation is coming to the earth's surface. Among them, 34% is returned back to the space without hitting the earth. This is known as Earth's albedo. Now I am rubbing this part. Next part is the processes of heating of the atmosphere. There are three processes by which the atmosphere gets heated. What are the three processes? The first process is radiation. The second process is conduction. And the third process is convection. Radiation, conduction and convection. These are the three processes of the heating of the atmosphere. So first is the radiation. Radiation is the process by which the heat waves are sent out by the earth's surface. At first, the surface of the earth is heated by the sun, and then this heat is radiated from the lower atmosphere to the higher atmosphere. So first one layer is heated, and afterwards that heat energy is radiated in one layer to another. So this is called the radiation. Now what is conduction? Conduction is the process by which heat is transformed by contact. Heat is transferred by means of contact. So these are heat waves. It is touching. Again this is spreading. Again there is one layer. In this way the heat energy is transferred by contact. The heat from the lower layer of the atmosphere is transferred to another layer when it is contact. When they are coming contact. And convection. Convection is the process by which heat is conveyed from one part to another part by the movement of heated surface. The heated surface, there is a movement between the heated surface, and in this way the heat energy is transferred from one body body to the another. So these are the three processes by which the atmosphere gets heated. The processes are radiation, conduction and convection. Now we are moving to the next part, that is which instrument is used to measure the temperature of the atmosphere or air temperature. The instrument's name is 6S maximum and minimum thermometer. This is the instrument to measure the air temperature. Air temperature is measured in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Now move to page 26. In page 26, there are two definitions. One is average temperature and one is range of temperature. So what is average temperature? Average temperature means maximum temperature, max plus minimum temperature of a place divided by 2. You know that average is always calculated by division, by divided by 2. So what is average temperature? Maximum temperature of a place plus minimum temperature of a place divided by 2. Next one is range of temperature. Range of temperature. Range of temperature means maximum minus minimum. This is called range of temperature. Maximum temperature minus minimum temperature is range of temperature. There are two ranges. One is the daily range, one is the yearly range or annual range. Daily range means day temperature minus night temperature is a daily range of temperature, and annual range of temperature is summer temperature minus winter temperature is the annual range of temperature. Okay, in next video we will continue from the causes. Thank you class.